Do you really need expensive makeup spray to keep your makeup intact all day long? Turns out you don't. Hey guys, this is Soumya and today I'll show you a simple hack using a hair dryer to keep your makeup intact all day long. After you have applied your base makeup, just take your blow dryer, put it on the coolest setting. This step is very important, and then blow dry your face. Once the base is completely dry, add on to the layers and repeat the blow drying process. Drying your makeup is a kind of baking technique that helps makeup sit on your face longer and stays intact without getting sweaty. Just make sure you use your dryer on a cool setting. This easy technique dry out your makeup, leaving it intact for hours. Try it for yourself today.